All right, y'all. There are two ways to solve this problem on number 13, but first I'm going to clear the annotations. I don't want to see number 12 anymore. There are two ways to solve this one. I can just immediately start squaring both sides, or I can get rid of this 3 first. And quite frankly, it's kind of weird to know we haven't seen any problems like this where we can just work immediately with getting rid of it. So I'm just going to show you. If you have a 3 times whatever, and you have another term on the other side, look what you can do. You can start by getting rid of this 3 on both sides. So what we end up with is this divides out, and I end up with the square root of 2x plus 6 equals 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that'd be my first step on this one. Now, I have a square root on one side, a number on the other side, which means I got to square this. So I'm going to square this thing, square, 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 and I end up with 2x plus 6 equals 5 squared is 25. Now I'm going to solve this. I'm going to subtract the minus 6 on both sides, and I get 2x equals 19. Where am I at? Hold on. 19. Yuck. I don't want to put all this in there. X equals 19 over 2. So I find out that x equals 19 over 2. And yes, you're going to find fractions like that. It's perfectly fine. I'm going to go check the extraneous solutions. I'm going to switch to red. So what am I going to do? I'm going to plug in that 19 over 2. 2 times, there's my x, I'm going to leave it blank for now, plus 6 is supposed to be equal to 15. Let's see if this is true. If I plug in my 19 over 2, my 19 over 2 goes right there. Let me put it in blue ink, actually. That'll make it easier to read. I'm going to put my 19 over 2 right here. So the fun part is this actually cancels out really well, and I'm going to go back to red ink. How does this cancel out? Well, rules of fractions, y'all. You see this numerator is a 2, and this is a denominator. These can basically cancel out. So you can just cancel those out, and I end up with 19 plus 6. So I end up with the 3 square root of, what is 19 plus 6? 25, equal to 15. The square root of 25 is 5, so I have 3 times 5. Is that equal to 15? Yes. 15 is equal to 15. This is true. True, so this is a solution. Boom, ba-doom, boom, boom. Good job.